Breaking news. A doomsday asteroid will hit Earth next month and trigger devastating megatsunamis, claims conspiracy theorist. According a news report from the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Last year, it detected an object that could be a comet or an asteroid on a path towards Earth. The space agency has said the mysterious object will safely pass Earth at a distance of nearly 32 million miles, 51 million kilometers, on February 25. But one self-proclaimed astronomer has come up with an alternative theory, suggesting the asteroid will crash into Earth on February 16 and trigger a megatsunami, according to NASA insider reports. The strange object, named 2016 WF9, was discovered last year. Over the course of 4.9 Earth years, it has traveled inward, passing under the main asteroid belt and the orbit of Mars until it will swing just inside Earth's own orbit. The object, which is a blurred line between an asteroid and a comet, was discovered by NASA's NEOWISE mission. Self-proclaimed Russian astronomer Dr. Damir Zakharovic said it is heading straight towards our planet. The object they call WF9 left the Nibiru system in October when Nibiru began spinning counterclockwise around the Sun, he said. Since then, NASA has known it will hit Earth. But they are only telling people now. If the asteroid hit Earth, he says, it could destroy cities or cause a tsunami. We are all in peril. NASA does not think the object will hit Earth, instead it is saying it will pass nearly 32 million miles, 51 million kilometers, away from the planet. The trajectory of 2016 WF9 is well understood, and the object is not a threat to Earth for the foreseeable future, says NASA. What scientists do know is that 2016 WF9 is relatively large, roughly 0.3 to 0.6 miles, 0.5 to 1 kilometer, across. It is quite dark, reflecting only a few % of the light that falls on its surface. Its body resembles a comet in its reflectivity and orbit, but appears to lack the characteristic dust and gas cloud that defines a comet. 2016 WF9 could have cometary origins, said Deputy Principal Investigator James Gerbs-Bauer at JPL. But, according to reports, Dr. Zakharovic has said his data reveals a different background. He claims the comet or asteroid originated from the fictional planet Nibiru. The object they call WF9 left the Nibiru system in October when Nibiru began spinning counterclockwise around the Sun, he said. Conspiracy theorists believe the planet Nibiru is set to hit into our planet in October this year, after being driven here by the gravitational pull from a binary star twinned with the Sun, of which there is no evidence. Nibiru, sometimes referred to as Planet X, is a hypothesized planet on the edge of our solar system. Nibiru and other stories about wayward planets are an internet hoax, NASA has said. Obviously, it does not exist. Nibiru is a different planet to the Planet 9, which is also sometimes referred to as Planet X, that was proposed by astronomers in Caltech in January last year. Conspiracy theorists believe the gravitational influence of the rogue planet Nibiru disrupted the orbits of other planets hundreds of years ago. They claim the next disruptive passage into the inner solar system could happen at any time. The name Damir Zakharovic seems to have only appeared online in recent months, relating to doomsday reports regarding the fictional planet Nibiru. NASA went forward to give a brief account on the true Nibiru Planet X theory. Nibiru, sometimes referred to as Planet X, is a hypothesized planet on the edge of our solar system. Nibiru is a different planet to the Planet 9, which is also sometimes referred to as Planet X, that was proposed by astronomers in Caltech in January last year. Conspiracy theorists believe the gravitational influence of the rogue planet Nibiru disrupted the orbits of other planets hundreds of years ago. They claim the next disruptive passage into the inner solar system could happen at any time. Some claims that this planet is sending plasmatic energy particles through our solar system. The flow of energy will disrupt the core flows of the Earth and trigger catastrophic changes in Earth's climate. They claim, since 1996, we have already been feeling the disruptive effects of the inbound rogue Planet X. Conspiracy theorists often blame natural disasters and freak weather patterns on the planet. Nibiru and other stories about wayward planets are an internet hoax, NASA has said. Obviously, it does not exist. Thanks for stopping by. Subscribe and don't forget to leave your comments.